Hello, my friends, and welcome to Story Time with Miss Power. The story that I'm going to read today is a classic. I really hope that you love it. Let's get started. The pigeon wants a puppy. I really do. It says words and pictures by Mo Willems. If the words are by Mo Willems, that makes him the, do you know that word? It starts with an A. The author. Very good. And if he also drew the pictures, that makes him the, it starts with an I, illustrator. Awesome. So he wrote the words and drew these pictures. I'm sure you recognize this character. Let's get started. The pigeon wants a puppy. Ooh, he's got a delivery there. It says one puppy to the pigeon. Oh, hello. How are you? I'm fine, thanks for asking. By the way, do you know what I want? What I've wanted forever? At least since last Tuesday. A puppy! Puppy, puppy, puppy! Oh, don't worry. I'll take care of it. I promise I'll water it once a month. What? Everybody knows that puppies need plenty of sunshine and water. Oh, I get it. You don't want me to be happy, do you? Huh. You don't want me to take a piggyback ride on my puppy or play tennis with it. You just don't understand. I'm a puppy-loving pigeon. Oh, puppies. I want a puppy right here, right now. Ooh, this pigeon's getting mad. Woof! What's that? Woof, woof! Is it possible? Have my dreams come true? Ah! Woof! It's huge! The teeth, the hair, that wet nose, the slobber, the claws. I mentioned the teeth, right? Really, I had no idea. I've changed my mind. I want a walrus. What a silly pigeon. I want to know, friends, do any of you have dogs or puppies at home? I think if you do, you're probably staying very busy helping to take care of them and walk them and feed them, because I know you are all very responsible, respectful, and safe. Thanks for joining me for Storytime with Miss Power. See you soon.